Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Capgemini exam. Today, I'm going to cover some important coding questions which were asked earlier in Capgemini Drive and being repeated in these days. Okay, and the questions I'm going to share with you right now, all of those are repeated in this recent on-campus exam. Okay, so as far as I can remember, what you will have in this exam, that is at first round you will be having essay writing. Okay, and don't take it lightly, because out of 100 students, 30% students got eliminated still in this round. Okay, so don't take it lightly. Just a few suggestions for essay writing, that is, if you are sitting for essay writing, then maintain this. That is, obviously maintain the intro. If the topic is uncertain, still maintain the intro, body, then the conclusion. Okay, and obviously there must be 3 paragraphs. Okay, and please don't make spelling mistake, and don't make grammatical error, and don't type backspace. Okay, if you type backspace lesser amount of time, then it will be also judged. Okay, so this is all about essay writing, and in these days they are asking mostly about your habit. Okay, let me tell you something: your habit, your favorite person, favorite book, and let's say AI topic, the emerging topic AI. Okay, so these are the topic you can say, like your hobby. Okay, habit related, then yeah, your favorite person. So okay, so let me go to the next section, that is it was regarding essay writing. Okay, then you will be having in the next round you'll be having IT fundamentals MCQ. If I'm not wrong, then you will be having IT fundamentals MCQ and pseudocode MCQ. So here you will be having 15 MCQs. Here you will be having total 25 MCQs from pseudocode. Okay, so in IT fundamental you'll be having DSA based question, and also you'll be having uh, network based MCQs, and this is the major part. Like of 40% questions will be from DSA itself, then second major part is network based questions. Still there will be some questions from SQL database. Okay, and some cloud based questions. Okay, then few technical MCQs will be there, but still these are the major part. Okay, so then after these you'll be having game based aptitude. If you have not been watching our playlist of Capgemini, then please watch that. Those will be very much helpful for you guys. Okay, so if you don't know about game based aptitude, then please watch the playlist of Capgemini, or or you can have our prime materials of Capgemini. Okay, so let me introduce that after this section. That is, after this section you'll be having coding round. Okay, and here most of the questions will be from string and array. Okay, and very few times I saw the questions were regarding recursion or regarding dynamic programming. If you are preparing string array, then still it's enough. Okay, so basically if you want to prepare very precisely for essay writing, IT fundamentals MCQs, pseudocodes, game based aptitude, coding round, for everything we have our prime materials, in which you will have all of those things, including the coding questions. Okay, then all the sections they are asking in these days, then mock test as well. Okay, so recent questions and answers available with the previous year questions also. Okay, so if you want, then just spend 79 rupees and use the UPI ID given in the description box, that is rwajeda@oksbi. Okay, and send me the screenshot of the same at our insta handle instagram.com/techno.tf. I'll share the materials at your mail. Okay, So I hope you will consider it for your betterment only. Okay, so let me go to the question part so that it will be helpful for you guys only. Okay, so the question is this. So I hope this is visible to you guys. As you can see, this is the second question, that means the advanced question. Okay, so I'll share the first question also. So let me share like the second question first, and let me share the first question at the end. Okay, so please watch till the end so that you can get the both questions. Okay, and if this question is not repeated, then almost similar questions will be repeated, so have patience. So the question is third last consonant. Okay, so basically I'm not going to read the question, but still, as you can see, the concept of the question is you have to print the third last consonant. Okay, so just let me read the note. Str will always have more than or equal to three consonants. All the letters in the English alphabet other than vowels are consonant. A, E, I, O, U are vowel, as you know. So input format are given here. That is, first line contains a single integer, that is the length of the string, and the second line contains a string, that is the str. Okay, that is the uh, string from which we have to grab the character. Okay, so output will be consisting one single character, that is the third last consonant, nothing else. So as you can see, so let me share the sample input output in the screen. So let's say the first input is the length of the string, then input 2 will be the string itself, so A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so they are asking that print the third last consonant. Okay, so what are the consonant present here? So here A and E both are vowel, so B, C and D are consonant. So third last consonant is B, so you have to print B. Okay, so this is the first example, and the example whichever given in the exam, that was regarding A, S, D, G, U, F, E, D. Okay, let's say this is the input. Okay, and this is the length of the string, and this is the str. So what will be the output for this case? That is, from the last there will be third last. Okay, so D, F, G. So U and E both are vowel, so ignore that. D, F, G. So G is the third last consonant. That's why output will be G. So I hope you understood like what's the task. Okay, so let me share the approach to solve the problem. Okay, so basically this is the second question, that means the advanced question, so it has more weightage than the first question. That means they will judge your overall marks as well. Also all the sectional marks is also important. Okay, so give importance whatever I'm telling right now. So what will be our approach to the solution? So at first, this is the string A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's say we have to go through all the element of that array of that string. Okay, then store first character here. First, not like the current character here. Okay, store the current character here. Then check if this is vowel. If this is vowel, if not, if this is not vowel, okay, then just increase the consonant count plus plus. Okay, and check if the consonant count is equal to 3. If it is equal to 3, then print the character. Okay, and one thing I forgot to say, that is, from the last we have to go. That means we have to start the for loop from n minus 1. to the zeroth element. Okay, zeroth element. So I hope you understood. So here, like here one condition you also need to include, that is, if inside the string there can be, this can be alphanumerical. So if any digit is there, so ignore that. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let us go to the solution part. So let me just declare one thing, that is, I'll not use the standard template. Okay, and I'll not take the input like the integer of the, like the size of the string. I'll directly hard code the string. Okay, so you can implement that in the exam, so just watch the logic. Okay, so let me go to the solution part. So at first, let me share the Java solutions, then I'll share the Python solution as well. Okay, so the flow starts from the main function. Okay, so at first this will be the input. Okay, this will be the input, as I have told earlier that I'll not take the input that is the size of the array. Okay, and I'm just hard coding the input. Okay, and this will not impact that much as of now. Okay, so then I'm storing the character whichever being returned by the function find third last consonant. Okay, and this is the parameter it is taking, that is the string. Okay, and we are checking if this result character is not null, then print the result. Okay, otherwise print null. Okay, this is the negative scenario, you have to also check those. So let's just go to the implementation of the function. So the function is a static method. Okay, so that we don't have, like, will not have any problem to access this function from the main function. Okay, so this is returning a character, so that's why char is written here, char data type, and it's taking one argument, that is a string. Okay, so string vowels is equal to written here, that is a e I o u in small case and a e I o u in capital case. So we are writing these vowels in a string. Why, you will get to know soon, just wait. So then we are writing for loop, which is starting from the last uh, element to the first element, as I have told you earlier. So the string length formula is inbuilt formula is this length and round bracket. Okay, so using this str dot length, so str is the argument. Okay, that is the string. So str dot length, using this we are getting the length of the string. Let's say a b c d e f is the string. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 is the string length. So if we access, let's say str.char at 6, char at 6, what is the char at 6? Indexing start, like indexing starting from 0. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it will not access any element of the string. So that's why 6 minus 1 we should start from. So that means from if we are starting the flow, then we are going up to the zeroth element of the string, then we are in decreasing the count, and otherwise this will be an infinite loop. Okay, so at each iteration we are storing the current character of that string. So at the first iteration, if as we are starting from if, so at the first iteration if will be stored here. Okay, then it will check, if it will check. So let me just remove this. Yeah, so at the first iteration it will check if this f is a letter. So character class having this inbuilt function, that is letter, which takes one argument, that is a character, okay, and it returns true or false. If this is not a letter, then it will return false. If it is a letter, then it will be returning true. Okay, so character dot is letter ch, so it is a character, so that's why it will return true. And it will also check if this vowel string, this vowel strings contains this value. So string is a class, static class, which has an inbuilt function, that is value of, it is taking one parameter, this character. This is like, this whole is converting the value to a string, okay, converting to a string. So f will be converted to string here, f will be converted to string here. So vowels that contains f, these vowels contains f, contains also returns if if that value present, this value present in the vowel string, this value is present in the vowel string. If yes, then it will return true. If not, then it will return false. Simple. So vowels dot contains f, so vowels, these vowels contains f, no, so this is false. Okay, sorry, this is false, but before that there is a not sign, so it is becoming true. So that's why we'll have to go inside the loop, if block. Okay, so we are getting that this is not a vowel, this is not a this is a character also. So we have to increase the consonant count. So here we have initialized the consonant count as 0. So here increase the count of the consonant, and parallelly we are checking if this consonant count is equal to 3, then immediately return ch and uh, like stop the looping. Okay, so in the next iteration we are getting that, let's say a b c d e f g. So here, sorry, not g, f. So here e, so it will check if it is letter yes, if it is like if the character e contain inside this vowel string, yes, this is inside the vowel string, so it will be true, it will be true. But for this, not true. Okay, not true, so it will not go inside this. Then again it will go to the next iteration, and d will be the next character, so d, and d will be the second consonant. This way it will check for c, so c will be the next consonant. So as soon as the consonant count will be 3, so it will be returning character ch. Okay, that is the c, current character c, so it will be returning this one. Okay, so let's say there is only abc, and here it is vowel, and these are consonant. So here the length of the consonant itself 2, so the length of the consonant must be greater than 3 to satisfy this, must be greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so if this case happens, then return a null character, nothing else. So let me just print, run this, and see see if it is returning right output or not. So guys, if you have not subscribed it yet, then please subscribe it, so that I'll be motivated more. Okay, and I'll upload more content for you guys only. Okay, so as you can see, g is the output for this input, that is this. So first consonant, second consonant, and third consonant g. Okay, so let me remove this part. So what will be the output? That is first consonant, second consonant, third consonant is d, so d will be printed. Okay, so guys, yes, if you have not subscribed it yet, then please subscribe to make me more confident, make me motivated. Okay, so d is the output, as you can see. So still, if you have any problem to understand, then let me know in the comment section, or you can join our Telegram channel t.me/ubkanna. There you will get all the solutions. Like, you can discuss your problems, and you can get a various type of PDFs in the Telegram group. Okay, and also you can get the latest updates of various companies. Okay, so join t.me/ubkanna. And again, if you want our prime materials of Capgemini, in which we have included all the recent questions, previous year questions which are being repeated, so just DM me at Insta, or just pay 79 rupees at the UPI ID given in the description box. Okay, so let me share the Python solutions. So as we have shown in Java, here also we have the same way to solve. We have followed the same way to solve. Okay, so in the main we have we have hard coded the string. Okay, and we are getting the character which is being returned by this function. Okay, and we are printing the result, nothing else. So basically we will only implement the logic whatever we have used in Java. Okay, so at first, this is the name of the function, taking one string arguments, and vowels is equal to, we have defined all the vowels inside this vowel string, and here we are just storing the consonant list, storing the all consonant in a list. Okay, so ch, so what it is doing, let me tell you. Okay, so this is the vowel string. Okay, this is the vowel string. So what we have written in Java, that is inside for loop, inside the for loop we had written if block to check the condition. Okay, so in similar way we are doing that. So this is the for loop for ch in input str. This is the input str. Okay, string, this is the argument. Okay, so for ch character in input str, so it will hold, this will hold only one character at each iteration. So for ch in input str, and below that we are checking if ch dot is alpha, that is it is a character, it is a character, alphabetical character, yes or no. And also check if ch not in vowel, ch not in vowel, that character whichever we are fetching from that input str, is that in this vowel. If not, then it is fine. If not, this is fine. And if it is character, then it is fine. Okay, so just store that in this list. Okay, so in each iteration it will keep storing all the consonants one by one. So in this case a s d f g h u e k, so it is starting from a. Okay, it is starting from a. Then it is a vowel, so it will not store that character inside this consonant list. So s is a consonant, so s will be stored here. Then sorry, then d will be stored, then f, then g, then h, then k will be stored. Then we are checking if the length of the consonant is greater than 3, greater than or equal to 3, greater than or equal to 3, then return the consonant minus 3. That means using the slicing approach, we are returning the third last character. This way we are returning the third last character of the consonant list. Okay, then else we are returning null. So why else? Because the length of the consonant can be lesser than equal to 3, lesser than 3. So that's why this is the negative scenario. Okay, so let me print it and see if it is producing right output or not. Yeah, so as you can see here, first, second, third is G, so output is G. So let me just remove some part. KU I have removed. So in this case, what will be the output? That is G, G, sorry, HGF. So F will be the output. Okay. So I hope you understood. So I hope uh, there is no problem. If you are having any problem, then let me know in the comment section. Or if you want all those PDFs, just DM me at our Insta handle. Okay. So what was the first question of coding round? So let me share that. So basically the question was very easy. Okay. Very easy. And the question is, let's say you are given one input that is a small a. You have to just convert that into capital case, okay? Or if the input is capital A, you have to convert that into small a. So that means character switching is the question, okay? I'm not joking, guys. Okay, so this was actually asked in the recent drive of Capgemini. So if you are giving important to whatever I'm telling, you can lead the exam. Okay, so like this type of easy questions are also being asked. So first question will be also always easy. So like if you know the concept of palindrome, if you know the concept of prime number, if you know the concept of let's say what reverse reverse array, even odd array, okay, so these are the like count of digits, sum of digits. So this type of questions, okay, being asked in these days. So I hope you can solve this type of problem. So just implement this concept in the coding round. So this much of discussion I had to do for today's session. So still I had to, if you think that I had to explain more, then just recommend me in the comment section that explain this part more. Or if you want me to solve the Python questions at first, then Java, then just recommend. And also if you want any subjects content to upload, then also recommend. And if you want me to solve any of your doubts, then just send the questions at our Insta handle, instagram.com/techno.ef. And anything you can suggest me, I will love it. And if it is justifiable, then I'll accept it. Okay, so thank you for today's session.